Hi everyone, welcome back to Reeta Soul Food. Today we're making a delicious pasta salad. This is really quick and simple recipe. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to for new vegetarian recipes each week. So let's get started. You'll just need some simple ingredients for this recipe. Some mixed beans. You can use any beans that you like. I've used a variety of beans here that you can see in the top left hand corner. Some cherry tomatoes, some pasta and some black olives. You can add more or less ingredients as you like here as well. The pasta that I've used here is lentil pasta actually, and it's the first time that I'm using this particular pasta. You can use durum wheat pasta. There's many different types of pasta grains that you can use, but for this one it's the first time I'm using this, and it's packed full of protein, so that's my reason for using this particular type of pasta. So we've just put the pasta in a saucepan, just adding some boiling water to help boil it along. For this particular pasta it takes about 10 minutes to cook through. Just check the instructions on the pack of the pasta you're using. I'm just adding some olive oil here to the vegetables. Please do go ahead and subscribe if you want to for new recipes each week, and check out the other recipes on Reeta Soul Food and let me know in the comments which other recipes you'd like me to make and share with you. So I've just added some salt here for some seasoning. You can add some black pepper and chili flakes if you like, and we can go in and add the pasta now. So give that good mix around. You can always add some more ingredients here, and that's the beauty of a pasta salad. You could have added some feta cheese and some other ingredients. I've kept this pasta salad recipe completely vegan. But you can also add some mint or some coriander, some herbs, just to give it some added flavour. You could even add some dill here if you like, just to give it that fresh flavour. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the other recipes on Reeta Soul Food, and let me know in the comments below which other recipes you'd like me to make and share with you all. Until the next time, goodbye.